crazy, crazy!
Welcome back YouTube to another episode of Fast Car Checks, and today we've got something very different on the channel today, something slightly smaller as well. As you can see in my background, we've got this Volkswagen Up GTI. He has got a few extra little perks underneath the bonnet, and as you can see, it's done very well. So with that said, let's bring in the owner of this crazy looking small machine. So yeah, Jake, welcome to the channel then. Do you want to just tell us a little bit about your car and what it is and what you've had done?
Absolutely. So this is my VW Up GTI 1 litre TSI. It is about 155 brake horsepower.
Yeah.
So yeah, mods include AP coilovers, EBC front discs and pads with braided lines and racing line fluid.
Yeah.
And then I've got a Miltech sports cat with a Miltech resonated system.
Yeah.
And a Forge induction kit. That's about it really.
Okay.
So yeah.
And you said it's a 1 litre, yeah?
Yeah, 1 litre.
1 litre. TSI engine.
TSI.
So what engine will this be taken from? Because you said it's how much brake horsepower, sorry?
So they're 115 stock.
Yeah.
And then mine's a stage 1, so 155 brake.
And for people at home, how much does this car weigh? Because that's the...
So I think they claim about 1,070 kilos.
Okay,
but
so...
obviously I've taken the back seats out, so
yeah,
it could be maybe a ton, like literally a ton.
Yeah.
So it goes, it really goes.
Yeah.
It's a good little car. It's not a straight line car, but around corners it's
cornering,
amazing.
yeah. It's quite a rare beast. I mean, like I said, I can't honestly say I've reviewed one of these. I can't even say I've been in one of these.
Yeah.
I did know someone previously had one of these, but again, like I said, I didn't ever get into contact with him about doing it. So for people at home, what's this like as a platform? I mean, you say you've tuned it. It's lightweight, it's fun. I'd imagine it's cheap to insure as well.
Yeah, it's relatively cheap to insure. Like tax, it is a cheap little car to run. Fuel is really cheap. It's a good little, I would say, first time car if someone's looking to buy their first car. But
yeah,
it's about a second car, but it's my third car and I love it to bits.
Yeah. And what made you get one of these? Like I said, they are slightly different. So what?
So I had a VW Up, like a basic one as my first car.
Yeah.
And I've always wanted them, but they were silly money, like 18, 20 grand new.
Yeah.
And I was like, nah. But I bought it about 2 years ago. And yeah, I love it to bits. I've
happy with it?
Yeah, honestly, yeah.
Where did you get it? So you said you had a stage 1. Where did you get that stage 1?
So I think it's a stage 1 DGE West Midlands
Okay,
tune.
yeah. And they're Volkswagen specialists, do the remaps and stuff?
Yeah, they do VW VAG stuff and that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's just the basic stage 1 with a ASBO tune on it.
Yeah. Let's give it some starts then, because like I said, obviously I do know this car, I have seen it before. Give us some starts so we can actually get a gauge, because I said, trust me, looks can be deceiving, yeah? This is a very loud ASBO-y car, isn't it? Yeah. So let's get it started then, let's get some revs. The interior is very nice as well. I'll leave some pans in now so you guys can see the interior. But let's hear this car now. Yeah. And the turbo as well. Just give me a bit more revs, because if we can crack the bonnet, because you can hear the turbo whistling on this and from the intake, and it does sound quite nice, to be fair. I mean, you know, I have seen this car out, but yeah, let's get some of those revs with this engine bay open. Shout out to Forge Motorsport, yeah. Forge Motorsport repping each and every time, sounding nice. But yeah, like I said, with that said, we're gonna go out now in the Volkswagen Up GTI, give it some revs, give you guys some pause, and give a POV drive. Yeah man, so we're just out now in the VW Up GTI. As I said, for me, this is the first time in one of these cars. I like the interior, man. The way they've made this car. I can see you've almost got, is that like a Golf? That's like a Golf GTI steering wheel,
Yeah, it's
isn't
the
it?
Mark 7 steering wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice, really nice steering wheel.
Yeah, it's a nice space to be in. And obviously you've got like the red dash in here as well. Very impressive. Like I said, obviously it's a different kind of car. This is 4-door, right?
4-door,
You
yeah.
took out the rear seats, innit?
That's it. I prefer the 4-door look.
Yeah.
I do like it.
Yeah. And do they do these in 3-door?
I do a 3-door.
Okay, yeah. I can see you got a couple of track stickers, am I right in saying that?
Yeah, I've been on track. That was when the car was stock.
Yeah.
But yeah, still performed very nicely. Yeah, really, yeah, it's a good car on track. To be fair.
Yeah. And you've done all the modifications yourself, so the wheels,
Yeah.
the exterior mods,
So
seats.
when I picked up, it was a one lady owner, 20,000 miles. It was a stock car, and I literally done everything to it.
Okay. Yeah, this is nice, man. This is nice. What kind of, what? I don't want to say what. Obviously, you said 160, 150.
155, yeah.
155 bhp, yeah. And like power to weight ratio. Where would you say this car sits at? Like, you know what I mean? Not like I said, it's not really straight line, but if you was going to be going up against something,
Yeah,
where would
so
you take chances?
I reckon a stock Polo GTI, it'll be close, or Fiesta STs, or Corsa VXRs, that sort of
That
stuff.
sort of platform, yeah.
So like the baby hot hash sort of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's surprising, man. This guy, it really is surprising.
Heated seats as well.
That's it.
It's got the lot. It's fully GTI loaded, isn't it? This is, isn't it? Give me some second. Give me some. Yeah, it's torquey, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's torquey for a small car. It's torquey for a small. Slap it back in front. Slap it back. Because you're so. Wow. Yeah, because it's quite small, you feel everything, don't you? What is it? Yeah, this is quick, man. Bro, I can see why you got this. This is a nice little sleeper, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, man, for those of you watching, yeah, don't sleep on the VW Up GTI. Telling you now, this is a nice little motor, man. For what it is, you don't expect, like, look, I'm holding on to the handles, yeah? It's good. Left here, brother.
Oh, left, is it?
Oh, yeah.
60. 100.
It flies, isn't it? Yeah. So we're gonna do a little 0 to 60 as we always do. Keep going, because they say that's not flat. We're gonna do 0 to 60, and we're gonna do a quarter mile test. You see where this car's at? You never done one before?
Never done one.
No,
Be
exactly.
interested.
Give it some revs, couple thousand.
60.
Okay, so alright, so we've done a 0 to 60 in 7.5 seconds. I reckon you can definitely nail that better.
Yeah.
100%. There was a bit of skid, wasn't there, on the way out, and a quarter mile in 15.92.
Okay.
But like I said, we're not looking for 10s. We're not looking for 12s.
No.
So anything I reckon in the 15 is good. I mean, I've never ever done one in this car. I haven't even looked up what they do. But 7.5 seconds and a 15.9. But I reckon let's get a 15.5. Yeah.
Yeah.
I reckon we can nail that. Let's do it here whilst we got the time, right? Give us some good revs.
60.
Okay.
Quarter mile.
Quarter mile. Okay, so your quarter mile time was 15.6, yeah?
Nice.
And was 7.3.
Okay.
7.3. Do you want to try getting the 6s?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do it, bro. Let's get it for the culture, bro. That's it.
30. 60.
Okay. 7-1. 7-1. Bro. We're going. Leave it at 7-1, bro. We'll leave it at 7-1. Like I said, man, nice little car. Nice little car. Just put in here, man. Coming now. Nice, isn't it, man?
It's a good car.
It is, isn't it? That mid-range torque there. Yeah, you can hear the turbo build up as well, can't you? This is a 1 litre TSI.
1 litre diesel, yeah.
This is like a newer engine they do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pops and bangs as well. Let's just have a little bit of corner yeah, man. It's really engaging as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a little trap weapon, isn't it?
Yeah.
You struggle to just drive, bro. 'Cause, yo,
It is a good car, isn't it?
you struggle to keep up with this, like, right? See, like the little roads we're on now. Yes, Jake. This is a sleeper, man.
It's a good car.
Damn.
I love it.
It's a very engaging car, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. It's literally just manual, steering wheel and pedal, that is it.
Yeah. And we got all the traction off, have we?
Yeah, all tractions on.
Okay, yeah. Listen, I like that turbo spool as well. Put it in 70. Nice, my G. Oh my. Yes, Jake. Trust me, yeah. If you're watching this video at home, right, and this is like your bracket in terms of, what, how old are you?
I'm 21.
So this is quite a young car, 18 to 21 sort of car. Don't sleep on this. I know there's a lot of people out there that want to jump the gun and go straight into, you know, the Audi S3s or the M140s or the M35s and the bigger cars. But listen, this car here, yeah, make no mistake, it's not going to keep up with none of those cars I've just mentioned. But as a fun engagement car,
Just puts a smile on your face.
it puts a
doesn't
smile on your face. And it's, even the way it gets off there, wow. I mean, on a small road, like I said, there's nowhere for a big car to like outrun it. Do you know what I mean? I mean, like, you know, once you get on the straights, yeah, of course. But I mean, from like 20 to like 70, you look around the road, that's like, you know what I mean, national speed limit on an A road or something. This will give any car a good time. Pops and bangs as well. And they're not too much either, are they?
No, they're just right.
Six gears? Yeah, come on. This is a sleeper, bro. It's got me smiling on a Sunday morning, put it that way. And that as well, it's like, it's torquey, man.
It is torquey, yeah.
Yes, G. I'll have to jam you again, bro, because this is, trust me, man. It's always the cars that are, you know what it's like, yeah? You got all the big cars, you're getting something smaller, you don't know what to expect, but I'm telling you now, yeah, let's get some windows down, because this is where you'll hear it a little bit more again. Drop it in a second. Yes. Wow. Yeah, man. Why not? She goes, isn't it, man? It's a feedback car for this car's bracket. This is giving me good vibes, man. You know what I mean? It's a strong 8. Strong 8 for like vibes of like, you know what I mean? Like, you know, like said, the STs and, you know, Polo GTIs. I mean, I don't know what else. Audi A1, S1.
Yeah.
Obviously, those cars are a little bit more power. When you tune those up again, you get a little bit more. But where this car sat, in between that Fiesta ST to 200 horsepower bracket, wow. And it's quite easy to drive. Like the gears, if that makes sense. You're not struggling to bang it into gear or.
Yeah, it's easy to drive. Yeah.
Wow. And like I said, man, if people watching this video, your age bracket 18 to 21, I think this is a decent car. And if you do the modifications that Jake's obviously done, it makes it a little bit more spicy. But yeah, like I said, thanks for watching. Remember to smash the subscribe button, like button, all of that helps with the algorithm and how they push your content out. Jake, thanks again. Where can they find you on Instagram and social media?
Yeah, Jake Bishop 00.
Yeah, and that's that there, yeah?
Yeah.
All right then, yeah, man, nice one then, brother.